power station.
The Obie and Little Sean Morning Show. What it is with Esty. What it is.
Power 95.3.
Yeah, if you're ready for some gossip before everybody else is going to talk about it, you want to be the know about it. You're going to get that from Ashley's What It Is.
So Justin Bieber is in huge trouble and could face jail time really soon. Could you imagine him in jail? Well, here's what's going
Sweet
down.
little boy.
The whole situation is actually stemming from an incident that happened last March when he was racing his Ferrari around his Calabasas neighborhood, which of course is out in California, where the Kardashians live, all these celebrities. Anyways, one of his neighbors confronted him about going so fast during this incident, and Justin got a little bent out of shape, didn't like being told what to do, ordered the neighbor off his property, and then spit in his neighbor's face.
It's Justin Bieber, bitch.
Well, now the LA County District Attorney is deciding whether or not to prosecute him. And apparently the sheriff's investigators who are involved in this case are really urging him to get charged and sentenced with battery.
I don't know, man. You think Justin Timberlake's going to get that Lindsay Lohan treatment where he can do, what did I say?
Timberlake.
Sorry,
I don't think Justin Timberlake's
my
not
white
that stupid.
Justins mixed up.
Yeah, he's not that stupid. Justin Timberlake gets the pass. He's got to get a pass.
Talk about Justin Bieber.
Yeah, well, anyways, I just think Justin Bieber's one of these neighbors that he's making a lot of wrong moves, but he's going to get that Lindsay Lohan treatment. He'll never get in trouble.
Yeah, that's true. He will. And the investigators are urging to get him charged because they think he needs to learn a lesson.
He'll be in court.
It's Justin Bieber, bitch.
All right,
And they'll be okay with it.
Pay this fine. Get out of here.
And what it is with Chris Brown and graffiti all over his Hollywood Hills home. Yes, pictures leaked the other day of all these murals out front of his home. Of course, there's a gate, but some neighbors, unhappy with the murals. They're colorful, red, white, and black, and they're huge.
Spray painted.
Yes, they're spray painted. It's graffiti. It's clearly graffiti. It's not like beautiful. I mean, some people think of it as beautiful art.
His house looks like the side of an abandoned railroad cart.
Exactly. So anyways, neighbors complained to the councilman, and it turns out that it wasn't even any vandals or anyone that went out there doing this graffiti on his house. Chris Brown did it himself.
He tried the graph.
Yeah. So, and it is pretty good. It's all pretty artistic, but still, he's gonna have to.
The neighbors don't want a piece of that. I mean, that's part of the urban life that you would see out there in the streets.
Yeah, Hollywood Hills, of course, is a very prestigious neighborhood out there.
He did it on the outside?
Yeah, it's on the outside.
What a dumbass. That's, I understand. If you're into graffiti, that's one of the elements of hip-hop. You know what I'm saying? Graffiti, hip-hop, breakdancing and all that. I mean, if you're into it, then you're into it. But outside of home, and it's like doing it outside in Alakwa or Ellsworth or something. You can't do that.
Yeah.
So if he doesn't
you can't even drive a hoopty through those places.
If he doesn't get rid of it soon, he is going to be fined over $1,100. But if you want to see the pictures, you can check it out under the What It Is blog at power953.com. It's What It Is. We do the 50 of every hour right here on the Obie and Little Sean Morning Show.
And there's $3,500 coming your way at 9 o'clock. That's 8 minutes away if you know the Power 95.3 secret